Welcome to this Fixit channel, and this is a quick video to talk about cumulative updates that were released for Windows 10. So if you want to have really precise details of what's in here or more details, just check it out with the Windows and Computer channel. On here I am mostly mentioning that if you're on a version of 1703, that's the Creators Update, 1709, that's the Fall Creators Update, or 1803, well, there's a update that has been pushed yesterday, has no security problems, so it doesn't actually, fix any security things, so there's no rush to install this update. But if you've been having some issues, this fixes a certain number of issues that are known on the Windows 10 versions. So check it out. Of course, it might fix things that maybe you have right now that aren't exactly working well. So check it out if there's anything in there. So of course, this is a cumulative update that was pushed yesterday, August the 30th. Now, it brings, of course, different version numbers if you want to be there. The Windows 10 April 2018 update version number now is 17134.254, and it actually has the cumulative update, which is KB4346783. If you are on a previous version, like the Fall Careers Update, you're being pushed at 16299.637. You have different things that are fixed in the Fall Careers Update, so it doesn't all fix the same things in the different versions. And the update is KB4343893. And if you're one of the few that are, of course, in the older Creators Update, this pushes your version number to 15063.1292, and it's KB4343889 that you get as an update. So check it out, bug fixing in whatever version of Windows 10 that you have. Of course, one of the things you should is always be in the latest version, and check out your Windows updates to maybe fix some issues. Enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.